Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to use in proper way RPM meter, so digital tachometer, Geschwindigkeitsmesser oder Umdrehungsmesser. So you need something like that to see how many turns your motor or your ventilator has. I saw many reviews that people make without knowing how to use it in the wrong way, and purpose of this video to show you how to use it in the right way. First of all, you don't need that buns that you get in buying packets like this. They are useless, just throw them away. The best way is buy some red tape. It works perfect. You take small piece of that red tape, cut it little bit. This motor, DC motor 775, has at 12 volt 10,000 turns. So let's adjust. We give here 12 volts. If it works. So somewhere 12 volts, okay. What you have to do on the shaft, put that red here like this, don't turn it around, and this both sides like this one. I just worked and my nails are a little bit dark, so you need something like that. It must be so. If it's big and too loose, it will fly away, because we speak here about very, very high turns of your motor. And I show you how to measure this, and if that shows everything correctly. Now it should turn at 10,000 RPM. How to measure it? Don't put that directly on that shaft. You just have to make your laser up when you don't see that, and little bit down when it touches only red band. Look, pressing test button. When I put that on shaft, you see, it shows wrong. But when I just take it and little bit put down, so it touches only the band, it shows 9,700 RPM at 11.5 volt. So let's make volts to 12 volt. And doing the same, we have 10,000 RPM. So this is the proper way how to use, if you bought one of them in Amazon or eBay, how to use this gadget. So this motor has exact 10,000 at 12 volt. And now we have this one. This have to have 12,000. So we do the same thing, just a little bit. These tapes cost around 30 cents. So don't be cheap and go buy them in just the Euro shop. The quality is bad, but to test your items, they are ideal. So let's see what's the RPM of this motor. This is also 775. As you see, 11,100. See? But let's make it 18 volts and see what happens. And now we have 17,000 RPM. This motor 17,000 at 18 volt and 12 volt. It's 1000 RPM lower than it says on manufacturer side, but it's also pretty good. So then we have here this one, 24 volt, 20,000 RPM. With this shaft, I couldn't take this away, it's glued somewhere. We take a little bit bigger tape. Why I say you to take small tape? Because I will show you what happens when you take a little bit big tape. It flies away and you have to secure your eyes, because at such RPM everything that flies away can damage you. So just let's put it like that. Don't make like this. It will open and fly away. You just need it to glue each other like this, and it's much more reliable. So plus, minus. This 15,000 at 18 volt, and I need to close those. So it gets loud when you add something, and let's make it 24 volts. At 24 volt we get 20,000 RPM, and this item costs around 25 till 35 euro, and very precise. I just had to make this video because people don't know how to use it, and the overall reviews are so bad, and it just makes crazy if you work with such things and people don't know and just type some kind of BS. So let's make it in different way. As a test, I'll show you. I have to secure my eyes first of all. I want to show you what happens if you take a little bit big and put it in the wrong way. Let's say you take it like that, you glue it like, you say, yeah, it's good. my power tool is a little bit weak for that, but with other it tends to fly away and break here, and sorry what not showing you what happens, but it's a real situation when you put that tape too big and there is high RPM. This piece can fly and really harm your skin, your eye, your mouth, your hair. So be sure always to check it in the right way and make it tight. Even this is too big because there is air friction and you will lose some RPM. You may lose it. So just a little bit, just put let's say 1 centimeter maximum, and as I showed you, when you press test button holding it, it shows. You can even use your hand. So thanks for watching.